guys? This is awesome. Alright, big step here. Big step. Watch out, Cameron. Hey, what's up? Those things have some power, huh?
Just slightly. Probably the slowest boat out here.
Yeah.
What, there's people around?
You can hear people, huh? You do have the paddle board.
Yeah, we parked like right over, kind of where those people are, and we like went around these islands. When you get to one, that's the last one, the channel marker. And then,
Dude, he stopped playing.
yeah, you can go wherever. Except for
We're Florida babes traveling.
Yeah.
Is it Florida babe travel now, or is it still Florida babes?
Well, Beaver does stuff on there.
Okay.
Julie wants to make her own channel.
Oh, okay, so it's different babe now.
Yeah.
Go to flip flop.
Thanks,
There goes toys.
Hey, Rickard Tampa 813,
hey, I've been through this before.
Yeah, ours got wet.
That's what I'm saying. You should wait till we get
That's
still.
why yours is like seats.
There she goes. She is pretty good on that thing.
Ricky, you got your medical card?
Did you find it?
No, they were fighting over it, still flying with it. So now the bird won't drop it.
They took it.
You gotta go back and get that.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see it. I know you're gonna fly over.
Get Caroline's flip flop while you're at it.
It looks like the boats are on the beach or somebody's on the beach.
It looks packed.
Hey, can you stand up and fall down for my camera?
Not fall.
Actually, no, because you're pregnant.
Right? That's a huge field. Pregnant
Just make
woman
sure
slipping
you
off
fall.
boat.
Dude, if you wasn't pregnant, I'd say stand up and fall.
A little bit smaller. You know, you can store it.
Oh, there's the
I got that on
dolphins.
Amazon too.
Where?
Oh, Amazon.
Oh, you gonna swim with dolphins?
Yeah.
Right over there.
Shot rolling up out there.
Yes.
Take the time to do
I wonder if they left just because it is.
I think we did. We creeped in over real close.
it. Yeah, we're like. It's like he has anxiety when he talks to you. He's like talking all fast.
Nice boat. Thanks, brother.
That's always kind of been him though.
I don't know that shit. I can't talk to him like that. It makes me feel like I have anxiety.
I think a lot of people feel that way.
You don't know how to get back, huh?
It's because nobody's tried.
Yeah.
Huh? I'll go around the boat 3 times.
No, you won't.
What's up? What you wanna bet?
He's got it. He's got the
Crazy, dude. we are. We rode over here.
It's only 320.
He wants to do his cannonball, dude. Can you do it?
So like after we drop you off at the boat ramp, it's like another 30 minutes like to the sun.
I still want to see you jump off though, dude. Be good for video.
I'll do a cannonball while it's going.
What?
Hey, everyone's going slow. Are you sure you can be hitting it right now?
When Ricky counts to 3, you go do a cannonball.
Everyone's going slow. Are you sure you're supposed to be hitting it?
I didn't see it.
Nah, you're good, man.
I'm just asking. I don't know.
It's way up there.
Yeah, they're fishing the channel. That's on them, right?
What time is it? What time's it? Hey, did you know cigarettes are bad for you? Anybody watching this video, do not smoke cigarettes. Is that a Marlboro?
They mix good with beer.
Is that a Marlboro?
It's a Marlboro Light. Mixes good with beer. Mixes good with beer and traffic.
And what?
Traffic.
Traffic?
Yeah, but you run through traffic. So you wouldn't know. You're not a cigarette smoker.
Nope.
I like the White Claw.
Yeah, the White Claw's good.
It's smooth.
The Claw! That's what the guy said to me at Gasparilla. The Claw!
You don't taste it.
Ah, it comes down smooth, man.
Pretty good.
Do you think we have to tip them or no?
I don't know.
Do we have to tip the boating people? No.
I mean, to carry our stuff. If they have to carry our stuff back to the car, that'd be on me.
If you want to see more boat videos, give us a thumbs up.
I'm like,
I was
yeah.
thinking that too.
Cannonball!
30 or
Bro,
like
you'll get more
35.
comments of
Have you
people like
skipped across the
trashing me
water
than
a couple
like
times?
Cannonball!
Like Primecutpro.
trashing it the whole time.
Cannonball!
I love
You not gonna do it?
I'm gonna take a picture of you guys.
If I do that, it'll just be like something that'll be like a quick little cut in. It's not worth it.
Hey, Bella. Isabella.
You know what will be worth it? You handing me $10 and then me jumping in.
Hey, and I'll let you use the GoPro and jump in with it. You gotta do it,
You
bro.
gotta hand me $10, but I need the cash in my hand first.
Alright, we got the cash for you.
If it's a bad pool,
I need it in my hand
See,
though.
because
You gotta do a backflip or something for $10.
she was like taller, but now it's like so hard. Like I
So Cameron's gonna do a cannonball
For $10.
for $10.
But I need the cash in my hand first.
Hold her down.
Alright, we got the cash for you.
If it's a bad pool,
Do it.
I need it in my hand.
See, because
You better do a backflip or something for $10.
I didn't swim all the way to the.
Well, then that's 10 from
then
you,
just
and that's
change
10 from you.
Yeah, but the closer we get, it's going down 9.
Yeah, 8,
No. We're
7.
not doing that. If I do
Alright,
that
we'll
right
pull
now-
our money together. Everybody's got $2.
You got 20?
Yep.
10 and 10? I'll jump in
I
and
don't have
swim.
any cash, so.
I love
Sorry, guys.
Now you go fast.
I'll jump in one more time though.
Do it. We talked it up, man. It's gotta come through. Here, hold it. I'll give you. Oh, low battery. You gotta hurry up, dude.
It goes in
I'll
the
give you
water?
$5.
It goes in the water?
What is he doing?
It goes in the
Cannonball!
The dock, so you're gonna have to walk up the boat ramp.
Just cannonball and go swim over there, dude. Hurry
How
up.
deep is it right here?
The barnacles?
Deep enough.
yeah, there's like.
Oh,
stuff
then
on
I'm
the
not
floor.
jumping in.
I talked it up so much, I'm gonna have to delete all that video now.
Sorry, guys.
Like my sister just had a baby and.
Thanks a lot for the boat ride.
Drive safe, you
Yeah,
guys.
guys, it was fun.
See you later, Ricky.
Video. Sorry for being a little late. See you guys on the flip side.
It's alright. Next time.
Is this your
we'll,
towel?
I
White
think
one?
the
We'll plan it better.
Next time we'll be early.